Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Asha Baki, my metric number 09DKM2040105. I will be the first presenter and I will present about the abstract and the problem statement for our project. Our project title is Hockey Goalkeeper Training Device using a rotating system. Is a device to help hockey goalkeeper for improving their skill in kicking and defending the hockey ball. Traditionally, before the device was invented, hockey goalkeeper only use rope and hockey ball by asking for the help of other players to hold the rope. The traditional way require a lot of manpower and can pose a high risk to other players and hockey goalkeeper. Our goal was to create this product to help hockey team coaches train goalkeeper more safely and also can help the goalkeeper to train individually. Next, I will be present about the problem statement. Traditionally, before the existence of our device, hockey goalkeeper player underwent training to kick and defend the ball using only a rope with a suitable net and a hockey ball, and need the help of other player to spin the ball for training. Other player who help the goalkeeper through training have to use a lot of manpower to hold the rope and spin the ball. This will cause the training period for hockey goalkeeper to be limited and become difficult for goalkeeper to improve their skill. This traditional method of training can pose a risk to other players and the goalkeeper, as it can be the cause of injury like sore hand. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fazana binti Alhamdulillah Selamat. Metric number 09DKM20F1035. Today, I will present about objective and scope. The objective that we will achieve are: the firstly, to design a prototype for a hockey goalkeeper training device by using inventor software. Second, to fabricate a prototype for a hockey goalkeeper training purpose by using a rotating system. Lastly, to test the functionality of the hockey goalkeeper training device. Next, the scope of our project. This device can only be used for hockey goalkeepers. It can only be used on turf field only. This device can reach 1.65 meter maximum height in diameter. The height can be adjusted from the 0.16 meter to 1.5 meter. This device can only be used by one person at a time. This device uses bearing to rotate and rotate the ball. The maximum radius distance between the hockey goalkeeper training equipment and the goalkeeper is 14 meter. Next, the weight of the hockey ball we use is 0.156 kg. This device can be used for any age. For the safety factor, other hockey players need to be 20 meter from this device when the device in operation. This device can be used for training, kicking, and defending the ball. The rotation estimation of the device is 3 rotation in 1 minute.
Hi, my name is Nur Adila binti Anwar. My metric number is 09DKM20F1068. I will present about literature review for our project, Hockey Goalkeeper Training Device. The purpose literature review is to gain and collect the existing debate related to our project. These are the topics that we already reviewed for our project. Among them are: first is history of hockey. In history of hockey, we retrieve some information from Encyclopedia Britannica website. A fat hockey also called hockey, as outdoor game played by two opposing teams of 11 players, each who use stick curve at the striking end to hit a small hard ball into their opponent goal. Next is hockey ball. We use hockey ball with diameter of 0.224 meter as it already states on Fantastic Oven website 2022. This can be used in our project since it was a standard size for Malaysia and ASEAN player hockey. And then rope polyester. We use polyester rope since it's strong, even been opposing to the sun, and support the weight of the hockey ball and can withstand toughness while kicking and defending the ball. Next is type of bearing. There will be two types of bearing we will be used in our device. First, ball bearing. Ball bearing will be applied to the end of the shaft and will rotate the polyester ball bearings on our device to transfer the rotation force that will be generated on the shaft, as well as reduce the frictional force between moving parts. This ball bearing will also rotate in any direction desired by the hockey goalkeeper. And then number 2 is 4 ball flag bearings. We decide to use 4 ball flag bearings because it will help in rotating the shaft. This can help for the ball bearing to rotate in different direction. Next, ball and net. In our hockey goalkeeper training device, we have choose carriage type of ball with dome head for our project. This can help to hold the adjustable from fall into grip when the ball rotating. This type can provide higher security against the vibration of the rotating shaft. Lastly is field hockey pitch. Based on Dimension.com website 2022, the measurement from the goal post to the penalty circle is 14.163 meter. The maximum length of the rope polyester is 14 meter for the device to operate, since the device will be in penalty circle. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Nada binti Bahman. My metric number is 09DKM20F1081. I would like to present about methodology. After we choose the title of the project, we make an introduction for chapter 1. Then chapter 2 literature review. Chapter 3 we make a methodology. Next, we look for a suitable material selection for hockey goalkeeper training device using a rotating system. After that, we choose the design and choose the appropriate design for our product. Cost estimation helps us in controlling our budget. We have do some survey in online marketplace and we have list all the materials we need in making our project. These are the items required to make a one hockey goalkeeper training device using a rotating system. The total estimated cost is 372 million. Design project. Design 1 shows a sketch of a rectangular drawing with a bearing placed in the middle. The rope is tied to the bearing and the ball that is punched is tied to the rope. For design 2 shows a change of shape at the bottom, which is round shape. Design 3 shows a change in the top that lays the bearing plank and shaft. At the bottom, we add 4 wheel brakes. We choose design 3 because of it has more stability and safer than other 2 designs. This is the final engineering drawing for our project. We use Inventor software to create our final design. As you can see, from the front view, the total height is 1.65 meter. The diameter in the drawing does not include with shaft assembling with bearing. The maximum rope is 14 meter, while the base are 30 cm and height of 15 cm. We put a way to keep the device stable with operating. These are the references we get in obtaining information for our project. That's all from us, TKM20. Thank you.